Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. In just a few seconds, I'll show you how to quickly unsubscribe from hundreds, maybe even thousands of YouTube channels cluttering up your YouTube wall, just like this. It's amazing, right? But before we get started, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. First, click on subscriptions here on the left side. After that, click Manage. After clicking Manage, you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page. Once you are at the bottom, right-click on an empty place and select Inspect. Here, select Console and paste the code from link in the description of this video, and boom, watch the magic happen. You may need to use the code more than once, depending on the number of YouTube channels you subscribe to. That is it. Don't forget to hit the like button.